Hello everyone, this is lesson 26 and we will practice words from the last lesson with dialogue. And let's start. Dialogue number 1, making plans for the morning. Are you free in the morning? 上午你有空吗？上午 it's like before noon or morning. 你有空你有空 You have, here's 空 for free time. Like, 有空 to have a free time. So, 上午你有空吗? Do you have a free time? Yes, I'm free in the morning. How about you? 有 I have. Oh, yes. Oh, you can say 是的. But here is I have. 我上午没事. Here is a new word. 没 we already saw it's like 不, just not or but or you can say 没有 I don't have something, but you cannot say 不有 就是没有 Here is the concat version of 我上午没有事 you could say, but here is just 没事 Here is 是 for some things, for some stuff, some deals or something to do, for example. But the main translation is thing. Let's see. 我上午没事。你呢？ What about you? So let's skip for now. But 是 it's something, some deal, some affair, you know. Next one, I'm also free. Let's go watch a movie together. 我也没事。I also 没事. I don't have something I need to do. 我们一起去看电影吧。We together, 我们一起 together to 看 go to watch 电影 It's some movies, so some film. 我们一起去看电影吧。去看 Also emphasize on this fourth one. 看电影 Great idea. What time does the morning movie start? 好主意 Good idea. 主意 it's idea, suggestion, something we can discuss. 上午的电影几点开始 The movie from the morning or morning movie 上午的电影几点what time which hour 几点开始 it's start something to start. So 上午的电影几点开始 It start at 10 o'clock. 11点开始11点10 hours or 10 o'clock 11点开始 It starts. Dialogue number 2, talking about cooking. Can you cook? 你会做饭吗？你会做饭 You can do food. So, can you cook? Do food, it's like cook. 你会做饭吗？ Yes, I like cooking. How about you? 会 I can 会。我喜欢做饭。我喜欢 I like to cook. 你呢 What about you? It's like reverse question. I can also cook, but not as well as you. 我也会做饭. I also can cook. Done, here is done. But, however, done. 没有. Here is 没你做得好. You can say 没有 or 没有你做得好. Here is 做得好. 做 it's like to do. The here's 做 for 做饭. Here's 做饭 and here's just short version 做得好. 做 the it's show the degree of something. For example, how good you do something. For example, 做 the how it's to do, it's like good. So here's 做 the how, it's to do something good. But here's 做饭的好, so to cook good. Then 没有你做的好, I don't have such skill as you, not as well as you can say. 没有你做的好. Let's cook together. 我们一起 together 做饭吧，做饭 to cook. 我们一起做饭吧。Okay, what should we make? 好，我们做什么？我们做什么？ We do what? So 我们做什么？ Let's make Chinese food. 我们做做饭 just for short version. 我们做中国菜，中国菜吧。Here is but for let's. 我们做中国菜，菜 it's food, cuisine, dish. You can say a lot of 中国菜，中国菜。Dialogue number 3. Calling a friend. 喂，你好。喂，你好。Oh, it could be second tone. 喂，喂，你好。Hello. Oh, hey. Hey, hello. Or just hello. 你好。Hello, where are you? 喂，你在哪儿？你在哪儿？ At which place? 你在哪儿？ Where are you? I'm at home. How about you? 我在家，我在家，我在家。你呢？你呢？ I'm at home. What about you? 你呢？ I'm also at home. Are you free tonight? 我也在家，我也在家。I also at home. 你晚上有空吗？你晚上 it's tonight or this evening 晚上有空 we already know it's to have a free time 有空吗？你晚上有空吗？ Yes, I'm free. Let's eat together. 有空 I have a free time. 有空 or it could be 是的 it could be 心 a lot of ways to confirm something, but here's 有空我们一起吃饭吧。我们一起吃饭。Let's eat together. 我们一起 together some food. So let's eat together. Okay, see you tonight. 好，晚上见。好 OK 晚上 at evening 见 to see someone. So 晚上见，下次见，下个见 a lot of ways to say see you at something. So 晚上见 see you tonight. Next, dialogue number 4, discussing TV shows. Do you like watching TV? 你喜欢看电视吗？你喜欢看电视吗？ So you like watch 电视 it's TV 电视吗？ Yes, I watch TV every night. How about you? 喜欢 I like. 我喜欢just 喜欢。我每天晚上都看电视，你呢？ I every day 每天晚上 at evening at night. Though here's emphasize all every time. No, always so. Here's 每天 and 上 and do like work together. 看电视 I watch TV. 你呢 What about you? 我每天晚上都看电视，你呢？ I also like watching TV. What shows do you like? 我也喜欢看电视。I also like watch TV. 你喜欢什么节目？Here's shows. 节目。你喜欢什么节目？ I like watching news and movies. 我喜欢看新闻和电影。我喜欢 I like to watch or to read. It's news, but it's watch. I think for because they talk about TV. 新闻, it's news. 新, it's something new. For example, new phone, new house, and like that. When, it's something connected with information. Smell, sniff, hear, nose, scent. So when you hear something new, like it's news, 新闻, or you feel or you smell something new, but I don't think smell is good one. 新闻和电影, it's TV. 我喜欢看新闻和电影. And last, his answer is me too. 我也是, I also, this way. 我也是. I also is, you could say. I also am. Oh, just me too. 我也是. And last one for today, dialogue number 5, talking about sleep. What time do you go to bed every night? 你每天晚上几点睡觉? You every day 每天晚上 at night 几点 which hour? 睡觉 it's to sleep. So what time do you go to bed every night or go to bed? 你每天晚上几点睡觉? I go to bed at 11 every night. How about you? 我每天晚上11点睡觉。你呢? I every day 晚上11点 it's 11 11点 it's 11 o'clock. So at night. 睡觉 go to sleep. 你呢? What about you? I also go to bed at 11. What do you do before sleeping? 我也是11点睡觉. I also at 10 o'clock sleep. But here's no 10 or 11 o'clock. Here's in Chinese no at, just I also 11 o'clock sleep. 你睡觉前做什么? You sleep 前 is before. So before sleep 睡觉前做什么? To do what? So before sleep, what do you do before sleeping? 你睡觉前做什么? I read a book before sleeping. 我睡觉前看书. No. 我睡觉前看书. I sleeping before, so before sleeping. 我睡觉前看书. To read a book. It's if we talk about book. Me too. 我也是. I also this way. So it's all for today. In next lesson, we will learn new words. So stay and don't lose your discipline, motivation. So let's see.